Visualizing solid shapes. Let us look at some three-dimensional figures. The first shape that you observe here is a cylinder. Now, you observe that this cylinder has got a curved surface and it has got a top which is circular and it has also got a bottom which is circular. Now, these could be open. If it is open, we call this as a hollow cylinder. Now, here in this case, since it is closed, we say that this is covered from both sides. So, we have total surface. If we are considering only this portion, then we say the curved surface. So, here we say that a cylinder is not a polyhedron. This is not a polyhedron because the edges are not visible and the edges do not meet at any particular vertex. There are no vertices here, all are circular in nature here. So, this is an example of a cylinder. The next three-dimensional figure we are going to take is a cone. Now, this is the shape of a cone. This has got again a curved surface. There are no edges. Here we have a vertex here and here there is circular base. So, this can be open or it can be closed. So, this is an example of a cone. Now, in this cone we can say that this is not a polyhedron because again the edges are not meeting at a vertex and there are no edges here because again it is circular in nature. So, if this is open, then we say the cone has curved surface area, and if it is closed, we say it has total surface area. The next figure is a cuboid. Now, look at this cuboid. Now, the cuboid has got faces. How many faces here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 behind 6. Now, these are rectangles and this is also a rectangle. So, we have 4 rectangles and we have a square here and a square here. So, this is an example of a cuboid. So, we have a length, we have a breadth and we have height. So, there are 3 dimensions of a cuboid: the length, the breadth and the height. So, this is a 3-dimensional figure and we say that a cuboid is a polyhedron. Why? Because you see that the vertex is here is pointed, the sides are meeting at a point. And we can also say that these are congruent figures, the top and bottom are identical. If you keep it like this, again the top and bottom are identical. So, such type of figures are also known as prisms. So, here we have a cuboid. The next example we are going to see is that of a cube. Now, if you look at the cube, it consists of squares. So, we have square, however we hold it, it becomes a square. So, it has faces, this is called a face. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces and these points are called the vertices. So, we have 4 vertices here and 4 vertices here. So, total of 8 vertices and these are called the edges. So, we have 1 edge here, 2, 3, 4 here and similarly 4 here behind this and we have 4 at the sides. So, we have 12, total of 12 edges. Now, this is an example of a cube. However, we hold, it becomes a square.